Why does it matter that justice have the victim's voice in the system? It matters because justice has to be fair. Justice has to be unbiased. The only person that can explain to justice what victims need is our voice. That's why justice has to have our voice in the system.
The voice of a victim involved in the justice system is a powerful voice. The victim is the one who lived through the hurt, the pain, the emotion, the trauma. They had to live through it. And if you don't have their voice, then we never gain the understanding of what the offender truly was capable of doing. And that's information that's crucial to have in the justice system.
Victims' rights matters to me because it gives me a voice. It gives me an opportunity to express how I feel, how the effect of the loss of my son who was murdered, how it affects my life, my daily life, how it affects me now, how it will affect me in the future. It affects how also it affects the people around me. I want people to know that Herman lived, and I want the defendant to know how he took his life, took his future. That's how victim rights affects me. That's why it matters.
As a victim of campus sexual violence, I can tell you that victims' rights are deeply important. When you're trying to access the system and nothing seems to work for you, having a voice is deeply important. Victims' rights ensure that survivors are in fact heard and are part of the decision-making process in receiving justice for their case. It's also a deeply important step towards recovery. Being heard and acknowledged helps survivors move forward, realizing that they are not alone as they access justice.
Does justice require the victim's voice be heard? Of course. The whole basis of our system is to allow the innocent defendant the opportunity to be heard and to hear their opinion about what happened. How much more does justice require that the innocent victim also be heard?